Welcome to our comparison of the Hohem iSteady M6 kit and the Fisherfans Gimbal Stabilizer. Today, we will explore the key features of both gimbals, including stabilization capabilities, user-friendliness, and overall value. Whether you're a seasoned videographer or a casual user, this video will help you decide which gimbal is the right choice for your needs. The Hohem iSteady M6 kit features advanced 3-axis stabilization technology, which ensures smooth and steady footage even during dynamic movements. In contrast, the Fisherfans Gimbal Stabilizer uses a simpler 1-axis stabilization system, which is suitable for basic stabilization but may struggle with more active scenes. This difference in stabilization technology can significantly impact the quality of your videos, especially in high-action situations. The Hohem iSteady M6 kit is packed with features such as AI tracking and a magnetic fill light, making it a versatile tool for content creators. On the other hand, the Fisherfans Gimbal Stabilizer offers basic functionality, including a selfie stick and tripod feature, but lacks advanced options like AI tracking. This makes the Hohem a better choice for those looking for a comprehensive solution for their videography needs. When it comes to pricing, the Hohem iSteady M6 kit is significantly more expensive at $209, while the Fisherfans Gimbal Stabilizer is priced at just $79. This price difference reflects the advanced features and technology of the Hohem, but for casual users or those on a budget, the Fisherfans may provide adequate performance without breaking the bank. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady M6 kit and the Fisherfans Gimbal Stabilizer offer unique advantages. The Hohem is ideal for those seeking advanced stabilization and features, while the Fisherfans is a great budget-friendly option for casual users. Let us know in the comments which gimbal you would choose. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.